Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning Ma'am Nikmatuni Ayah, SEMSA, AKT as a lecturer in this search methodology. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Karisma Alma from IK3C Semarang State Polytechnic. On this occasion, I will present a final project proposal with a title, Analysis of Calculation and Reporting of its Income Tax 22 on Procurement of Goods at PTXX. Presentation structure: 1. Background, 2. Formulation of the problem, 3. Purpose, 4. Benefit, 5. Literature review, 6. Research methodology. Background: one of the tax determined by the government is income tax, which is a tax imposed on tax subject for income received or accruement in the tax year, or can also be taxed on income in part of the tax year. One type of income tax is 22, which is a type of tax that is collected by a third party. The tax collection system in Income Tax 22 is to use the withholding system, namely a third party that is given the authority to calculate, collect, and deposit tax debts. The third party referred to here is a state-owned enterprise or BUMN. PTXX has the obligation to withhold Income Tax 22 on the purchase of goods subject to Income Tax 22 from partner companies. The deposit obligation to report Income Tax 22 withheld to the Tax Service Office or PTXX. But this has not been fully carried out. By paying attention to the reason of the information above, the author is interested in choosing a title related to withholding and reporting of Income Tax 22 on the procurement of goods at PTXX. Formulation of the problem. Based on the description of the problem, background, and problem identification above, the author can formulate the problem formulation in this research as follows. 1. How is the calculating and reporting of Income Tax 22 for the procurement of goods at PTXX to the applicable regulation? 2. What are the obstacles in calculating and reporting tax on Income Tax 22 for the procurement of goods and PTXX? Purpose: 1. To find out how to calculate and report Income Tax 22 for the procurement of goods according to applicable regulation. 2. What are the obstacles in implementing Income Tax 22 reporting for the procurement of goods at PTXX? Next, benefit. 1. Can increase the author knowledge and insight as well as thinking skills, especially in the field of relating Income Tax 22 for the procurement of goods at state-owned enterprise. 2. To improve and apply the knowledge gained during the lecture period of the Semarang State Polytechnic so that it can be applied in the future. Literature review. 1. Understanding tax. Tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owed by individual or entities that is corrective based on law without receiving direct compensation and is used for state needs for the greatest prosperity of the people. 2. Tax function. There are 4 functions of tax levied by the state, namely 1. Budgetary function. Tax have a budgetary function, meaning that tax are a source of government revenue to finance both routine and development expenditures. 2. Regulatory function. Tax have a regulatory function, meaning that tax are a tool to regulate or implement government policies in the social and economic field, as well as achieving certain goals outside the financial sector. 3. Redistribution function. Tax collected by the state will then be returned to the community in the form of providing public facilities throughout the country. 4. Function of democracy. The tax collected are used for the benefit of all people through the provision of public goods and service needed by the community. 3. Tax collector system. 1. Official assessment system. A tax collection system that gives tax officials the authority to determine for themselves the amount of tax payable each year in accordance with applicable tax law and regulation. 2. Self-assessment system. A tax collection system that gives taxpayers the authority to determine for themselves the amount of tax owed each year in accordance with applicable tax law and regulation. 3. Withholding system. A tax collection system that gives authority to designate third parties to determine the amount of tax owed by the taxpayer in accordance with applicable tax law and regulation. 4. Calculation of income tax 22. The income tax 22 list can be seen on the screen. Next, data type. The type of data used in this research is qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data is data that is not expressed in numerical form but in the form of description or in the form of description such as a general description of the company operational activities and literature data that is relevant to the research. And quantitative data is data in the form of numbers such as income tax 22 register and income tax 22 subsidiary book register from the procurement of. Next, data search. Second, data is a search of research data obtained by researchers indirectly, such as studying legal materials in the form of statutory regulation, Minister of Finance regulation, presidential regulation, and other literature related to income tax 22 and the procurement of goods. Next, data collection technique. The data collection technique used in this research are: 1. Observation technique is data collection cares about by direct observation of the income tax 22 collection list for procurement of goods. 2. Documentation, namely a method of collecting data by studying document. 3. The interview technique is carried out by interviewing directly with the final department of BTXX regarding income tax 22 on procurement of goods. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique for this research is to use descriptive analysis. This descriptive analysis method is a method that explains a situation to describe the data that has been collected. My presentation is enough. Thank you very much for your attention.